Suffolk County Music Service presents The Sky, Session 2, a how to play guide for Wicket students.
Hello! In this session we're going to warm up and play through what we learnt in Session 1 and learn Section B of The Sky. By the end of this video we will know everything we need to perform this whole piece through. It's time to get ready to play. So remember to tighten and rosin your bow. Make sure that you put the sponge underneath the rubber band on your violin. Now let's place the violin on our shoulder. Remember to turn your head onto your chin rest and just relax your fingers down the end of the neck. Make sure that your fingers are correctly held around the bow, little finger on the top of the stick, and then just lean all that weight over onto that first finger. Now we are ready to start. We're going to start with the crotchet rhythm, and this is when we say the word walk. So let's do this on our D string, like this. Now let's try some sway rhythms. These are the minims, the white value notes. Let's do some of these on our G string. And now let's try some running notes. Let's do these on our G string as well. Now let's put some of these rhythms together. Now let's try the quavers on our G string. Why not stop the video and have a go at some of these bows and their rhythms, taking care to stop your bow in the rests.
Hey! Ha! Well remembered. Now let's move on and learn Section B.
Here's our new section of music. Section B will fit in between Section A and C, and it's the filling in our musical sandwich of ternary form. Let's start by listening to and copying back our first 4 bars. Remember to start with a down bow, so from the frog, with a pulling action, like this. We'll play 2 bars at a time, and I'll leave a space for you to play back in. Remember to start with a down bow and stop the video if you'd like some extra practice. Think back to our bow lengths, so we sway for a minim and walk for a crotchet. And now it's your turn to copy that back. The next 4 bars start on an up bow, So from the tip or the point of the bow with a pushing action like this. So let's copy the next few bars at the same time again, remembering to bite the bow for the accents. When we play the whole section through, we need to remember that on the repeat, we end the section with 2 walks and 2 rests, like this. Rest, rest. Now let's see if we can do that entire section. I'll play it first. Remember, you can stop the video any time to copy back.
Put your bow back on the G string, ready to play a down bow straight away. Here we go. That's great! Now we can have a quick look at section C before you play the whole piece through.
Let's learn section C and then play it with the backing. As we are in ternary form, this means that section C is identical to section A, but there is one little difference. The first time we played this section, we have 4 quavers and 2 rests, like this. Rest, rest. But on the repeat, we have to remember to finish with a good strong ha on the very last beat, like this. Ha! Try copying these 2 patterns now, and I'll leave a space for you to play them back and maybe stop the video if you wanted some more practice. Remember to bite the bows for the accents. Rest, rest. Rest. Ha! I'll do that once more, and this time I won't say the word rest, rest. Ha!
Put your bow back on the G string, ready to play a down bow straight away. Here we go. Fantastic! Now you can play the whole piece through twice. The first time you'll play as a duet with a music service tutor. Then the video will give you a chance to play it on your own as a solo. Have fun! Well played. Remember, keep practicing this piece. It will get better and better.